Welcome back, Warriors, to another special edition of Clan War Attacks. Today, our attacker is Koopa Troopa. Here he uses a hybrid attack, and he does an excellent job 3-starring this base. First thing he's going to do is trigger out this clan castle using a single giant, and he leads him up to the corner. 2 golems come down, followed by the Wiz. Now notice how the Wiz clear the outsides. The important thing here is to create a funnel. You don't want your heroes and main kill troops to get drawn around the outside. So those wizards are going to clear the outside. That way all the troops can focus to the center. In comes the heavy tanks. And see that little Valk running in. Does an excellent job placing that jump spell to the core, where all these heavy tank troops are going to soak up all the fire. The kill squad's going to come in, and the goal is to take out those air defenses. In comes the Rage, and all those troops are going to do an excellent job clearing out that core. In comes the Loons, and he drops them, sending 3, 1, and 2, and they're precisionally sent specifically to go in and take out those defenses. And those heavy hitting troops in the core have done such a great job. They soak up all that fire. Koopa's not even going to lose a single Loon in this attack. And there you have it, another beautiful 3-star win for Koopa Troopa of Warrior Class.